Good day everyone, Vincent Chan from Pokder.net here, and today we'll be talking about the HUAWEI Sound X, a smart speaker HUAWEI co-engineered with Devialet, the good folk that brought the absolutely stunning Devialet Phantom, a speaker that looks and sounds way ahead of its time. So, with such heritage behind its name, how does the Sound X sound, and what's the deal with HUAWEI making a smart speaker? Let's jump right in. Let's begin with the unboxing. The HUAWEI Sound X comes in a white box that opens by lifting the cover. Upon lifting the cover, you will find the Sound X couched in a fabric sleeve. Let's put that aside for now and continue with the unboxing. Below the Sound X is a box that contains all of its accessories. There's a power supply, warranty documentation, and a card which is a voucher from HUAWEI to let you download 1 million FLAC files, as well as a cloth for you to clean the speaker and of course a quick start guide. That's all that's in the box, so now let's take a look at the speaker itself. The Sound X is a mono speaker that looks very much like the 2013 Mac Pro, but thicker. It packs 8 speakers in it, which explains the rather squat dimensions. The most obvious are the two 3.5-inch Devialet subwoofers, which are rated to produce 60 watts of bass and tout a frequency response all the way down to 40 Hz. These driver units come with Devialet's exclusive speaker active matching technology, which is said to provide a more immersive listening experience to the listener. In addition to the two subwoofers, there's a total of 6 8-watt tweeters placed in a circular formation in the base of the Sound X. These tweeters can reach frequencies as high as a whopping 40 kHz, while the arrangement gives the Sound X a 360-degree sound feel, thus delivering an equally good listening experience regardless of which direction the Sound X is placed relative to you. The Sound X mainly works over Bluetooth now, but interestingly, despite the high-res audio certification, there is no support for the aptX codec present here. This is due to the fact that the Sound X also supports Wi-Fi connectivity, which will deliver even better sound quality than any Bluetooth codec out there. HUAWEI would be including support for a multi-device control panel too, giving the Sound X the smart speaker experience it is designed for. But I think what everyone wants to know is how does the Sound X sound? Well, you can have a listen too before I give you my comments. When it comes to the bass department, I can sense that it has a very good sub-bass extension to a level that can literally feel the sound waves pushing against me. When it comes to the mid-bass, the punchiness and fullness is very apparent in this range. Meanwhile, over in the highs, everything is crisp and clear and vocals have a very strong presence and the high frequencies are very clean with every little detail well represented in the sound. Every strum of the guitar and every breath that the singer takes, you will be able to hear it. Nina Simone's Feeling Good is a joy to listen to on the Sound X. So far, I think you would agree with us that the speaker sounds really great, but we can't help but feel that it's holding back on us. While I can get music to play on the speaker, I'm not really sure whether it's transferring over Wi-Fi. With the lack of aptX support, if it is working in Bluetooth mode, it is definitely a waste of the potential here. Yes, the Sound X still sounds absolutely amazing, but this uncertainty is definitely eating me inside out. There's also the issue of the Sound X being a smart speaker, but we can't experience its capabilities just yet. The Sound X is limited to being just a speaker now in Malaysia, a damn good one at that, but still, just a speaker. But I will say that there is hope down the line, as the features will most probably be unlocked when HUAWEI releases its full IoT ecosystem here, because the Sound X will most likely be a terminal for all of these IoT devices. And at that point, the full potential of the Sound X will be available to us, but unfortunately, it isn't now. In conclusion, I would say that the Sound X sounds extra amazing, but it is a shame that we couldn't experience the full potential of what the Sound X represents. RM1699 for a simple Bluetooth speaker might seem rather steep, but that's just because the Sound X isn't just a Bluetooth speaker. The Sound X is more than just a speaker and likely a gateway to HUAWEI's expanding IoT world. With that, we end our review for the HUAWEI Sound X. It's a great speaker, although probably not one you would get at this very moment. But of course, that's our opinion. Tell us what you think about the HUAWEI Sound X and our theory that this would be the beginning of HUAWEI's IoT movement here in Malaysia. Leave a comment below, like and subscribe to our channel, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!